How to fix save videos problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix save videos problem on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there on your profile, first thing make sure to go to your privacy by click on those three lines and click on privacy and click on the second option, which is privacy. Now you have quick upload. If videos won't save on your TikTok, if you want to save a video, they say this video won't save or something like this, just make sure that this option quick upload is on make sure you turn on this option quick upload to allow video to pre-upload during the creation process to improve upload speed. And also if you turn off this option, maybe the videos won't be saved. Now go to download and make sure to you can turn on this option to let people save your videos. If this option is off, that means your followers can't save your videos. And this is it, guys. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If this is doesn't help, all you need to do is go to report a problem on your TikTok app and report this problem. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.